Very good morning. Today we are discussing about find the delta resistance for given star. Here, star to delta conversion one problem. Here in this circuit, R1 that means 2 ohm 1. 2 means R2 3 ohm. Then R3 means 6 ohm. Given data R1 2 ohm, R2 3 ohm, R3 6 ohm. To find the R12, second one R23, R31. Solution R12, it's a delta formula, star to delta conversion. R12 is equal to R1 into R2 plus R2 into R3 plus R3 into R1 divided by R3. That is equal to 2 into 3 plus 3 into 6 plus 6 into 2 divided by 6. Here R12 is equal to 6 plus 18 plus 12 divided by 6. 36 divided by 6 is equal to 6 ohm. Then R23 R1 into R2 plus R2 into R3 plus R3 into R1 divided by R1. 2 into 3 plus 3 into 6 plus 6 into 2 divided by 2, that is equal to 18 ohm. Then R3 1 is equal to R1 into R2 plus R2 into R3 plus R3 into R1 divided by R2. And 2 into 3 plus 3 into 6 plus 3 into 2 divided by 3, that is 36 divided by 3 is equal to 12 ohm. Next answer and delta connection, then R12 6 ohm, then 23 18 ohm, then 31 12 ohm. Next to find the star resistance for given delta. Here the delta connection circuit diagram 30 ohm, 90 ohm, 60 ohm. Given data resistance R12 is equal to 90 ohm, R23 60 ohm, R31 30 ohm. To find the R1, R2, R3. Here R1 is equal to R12 into R31 divided by R12 plus R23 plus R31 is equal to 90 into 30 divided by 90 plus 60 plus 30 is equal to 2700 divided by 180 is equal to 15 ohm. R2 is equal to R2 3 into R12 divided by R12 plus R23 plus R31. 60 into 90 divided by 90 plus 60 plus 30 is equal to 5400 divided by 18 180 is equal to 30 ohm. Then R3 is equal to R31 into R23 divided by R12 plus R23 plus R31. 30 into 60 divided by 90 plus 60 plus 30 is equal to 1800 divided by 180 is equal to 10 ohm. Here R1 is equal to 15 ohm, R2 is equal to 30 ohm, R3 is equal to 10 ohm. Here the delta to star conversion connection. Next, one simple problem. Determine the total resistance and the circuit current of the given circuit. Here the circuit diagram. Given data, R12 is equal to 100 ohm, R23 40 ohm, R31 60 ohm. Then R1, R2, R3. Find the value. Here, first of all, in the circuit diagram, series parallel combination, and then 100 ohm, 60 ohm and 40 ohm. It will be considered as a delta connection. In this delta connection converted to star connection. Then step 1, convert delta into star. R1 is equal to R12 into R31 divided by R12 plus R23 plus R31 is equal to 100 into 60 divided by 100 plus 40 plus 60 is equal to 30 ohm. R2 is equal to R23 into R12 divided by R12 plus R23 plus R31 is equal to 40 into 100 divided by 100 plus 40, 60, 40 is equal to 4000 divided by 20 is equal to 20 ohm. R3 is equal to R31 and R23 divided by R12 plus R23, R31 is equal to 60 into 40 divided by 100 plus 40 plus 60 is equal to 2400 divided by 200 is equal to 12 ohm. Here, the combination delta to star conversion, then R1 30 ohm, R2 20 ohm, R3 12 ohm. Next, we have to simplify the circuit in the equivalent circuit of the resistance. Here, the total resistance, that means the combination of total resistance equal to 30 ohm plus 12 plus 88 ohm. In this circuit, 30 ohm is a 30 ohm circuit, 12 ohm plus 80 ohm. Here in the series combinations, and then parallel to the 20 plus 80. Here 20, 80 is a parallel component element, and then next we have to simplify the total resistance 30 ohm plus 100 parallel to the 100 is equal to parallel to the 100 ohm, and that is equal to a resultant value 30 plus 50 is equal to total resistance 80 ohm. Then total circuit current I is equal to V divided by R, 240 divided by 80 is equal to 3 amps. Thank you.